Leadership doesn't start with a title. It starts with how you enter the room. How many of you here have met someone that the moment they walked in the room, you just felt it? They had something, that edge, that clarity, that presence. People with that kind of presence, people just tend to kind of listen to them differently. When you speak with clarity and certainty, doors tend to open faster. You know why? Because it says, I'm not here to just participate. I'm here to lead and get results. I'm here to deliver. And in this session, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. How to lead with executive presence, how to use project management tools to outpace the competition, and how to turn that certification into career firepower. You won't walk out of here thinking, I hope I can do this. You're going to walk out saying, I know I can, because the one with the most certainty, the most clarity, and the most confidence wins. I want you to remember this for me. Remember this. Leadership isn't something you become later. It's already inside you. Everything you need is inside you right now. All you have to do is claim it. So remember, if you really want to inspire others, you have to first be inspired. You can't lead others if you're not leading yourself first. That door to leadership, it opens from the inside. So if you're ready to walk through those doors together, join us for this 1-hour presentation where we're going to unlock your stage presence and unleash the leader within. I'm going to say that again so we can unleash the leader within you. Are you ready to rock it? Sign up. I'll see you there.